Hello guys, today I am going on a co-combo bike and boat tour with Kovan Kessel, and I'm very excited about this. We are supposed to go off the beaten path to explore a big part of Chinatown, but also the Klongs, etc. So yeah, I'm excited to take you guys along and show you more of this beautiful city. Over 30 years ago, Kovan Kessel pioneered bike tours to explore the off-the-beaten-path local side of Bangkok. Okay, the glasses are on so that I don't drive into anything, because if I do, it's on me or my insurance. The camera is on, and also we have a little basket at the front of our bike, so that will be very easy to put our stuff there. Right after starting the excursion, we passed by our water supplier. It became clear right away that it wouldn't be possible to ride the bike the whole time. I really loved the street art alley that we passed through, and a lot of young locals seem to love it as a social media background. Have you ever seen obstacles this adorable? As the last person in line, I quickly lost the group because Dutch people and bikes are like lightning bolts. But that's why Snooker drives in the back to guide the lost sheep. As we arrived in Chinatown, it became clear that this excursion does require a certain experience on a bike. It is not a bike ride in the park. There were plenty of obstacles and narrow alleys to get through, cars in the way and people in the way. It was really cool to get a behind the scenes of Chinatown. We have made it to the ferry after an eventful cycling trip through Chinatown. There wasn't much cycling going on actually, and now we are getting an iced coffee or a Thai iced tea, and obviously I'm gonna go for the Thai iced tea because it's one of my last days, so I need to take advantage of it.
It's time for the Thai local things, okay? Because we gonna support her together for today. Start from iced coffee. Iced coffee. Show me your hand who want to order iced coffee, please.
Once we had our refreshments, we took the ferry across the main river to go from the busy city center to the real authentic local area.
Of our tour, we will start right here, Chinatown, and after that we took the ferry boat across to the opposite side. This is the main river we call Chao Phraya River. It came from now to the east to Bangkok and gonna go through the south. For Chao Phraya River, it's over there, the big main river of Thailand. For this one, everybody, this is the coconut milk, and this is, do you know pandan leaf? Pandan, the green one. This one is it's good for your health. This is a Thai dessert. It's so hard to find it, everybody. That's why I just would like to let all of you, my family, try this one together. Okay? In Thai, we call khanom chuai.
We even passed by the burial place of the Dutch founder of this company. Look at the bike! soon arrived at the Wat Kalayanimet pier, where our boat tour would begin. We were speechless watching how they got all our bikes on this boat. We parked the boat, and after visiting this temple, we got back on our bikes to explore the countryside of Bangkok.
Sara.
What's your name?
สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
Once we had cruised through the coconut and banana trees, past welcoming locals, we got back on the boat for a bit to get to our dinner spot. We stopped at this wooden waterside house where a Thai family had cooked us an amazing dinner. Honestly, the Thai hospitality we have experienced on this day has been unmatched. We said goodbye, but the adventure was not over yet. We went for a short boat ride to the main river, and then we couldn't have ended our day better. Our longtail boat actually went onto the main river, and we cruised along the skyline of the city with our longtail boat as the sun was setting. It was magical. The boat trip ended at River City across from the luxury mall Icon Siam. We crossed through River City with our bikes, which felt very strange, but we had to get back to the Kovan Castle office at the back of the building.
Thank you so much. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ Enjoy everybody. Have a nice holiday.
We said goodbye to our amazing guides, Mink and Snooker, and I got a grab bike back to Khao San Road. I had an incredible day experiencing Bangkok off the beaten path and having wholesome encounters with the locals. I loved it. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of the next videos. Anyway, I hope to see you in those next videos. Bye!